Welcome to NX2206 and a new function called CONICAL ADDITIVE BUILDUP. CONICAL ADDITIVE BUILDUP uses the wedge method similar to tube additive buildup to create wedges on the part, and it fills the wedges with parallel planes. Let's take a look at the operation. You select your additive feature like normal. You select your foundation face and a central curve. That is going to be this curve on the right hand side. That curve is used to create the cones. It looks at the slope of the curve and creates cones based on the change in angle of the curve. In this case, it's going to make 5-degree wedges. You have your regular infill and out and finish pass tool axis options. And in strategy, you can zigzag or zig. You can do infills and finish passes, just infills, just finish passes. The alternate cut angle is going to be the alternating infill pattern from layer to layer. In this case, if you're using a zigzag, it'll alternate in 90-degree increments from one layer to the next. Slicing parameters are standard. If we take a look at this operation using a 5-degree wedge, right now the cone, based on this red drive curve, is normal to that curve. As we start getting some angle changes in the drive curve or central curve, then we start seeing the cone get created. The alternating angle, as we saw, allows for the cutter path to go in different directions. So the cones build up from layer to layer. There is logic in the system, so if a new cone intersects a previous cone, it will trim the new cone so that we don't build where we've already built. If you use a larger wedge angle, it won't create a new wedge until there's at least that much change in shape in your central curve. So in this case, with the larger wedge angle, it'll maintain the same cone angle until there's a larger change in curvature slope. This is conical additive buildup, and it can be very useful on parts such as this, or parts we usually commonly refer to as the wine glass part, with variable slope between steep and shallow along the build. Thank you.